Where have I been? I know you guys have probably been asking, where has she been? Because it's been a while, okay? I think I last posted in May, and that was a Proverbs challenge, but really the last time I really posted something of substance that you guys are used to, I think was way back last year, if I'm not mistaken. So technically, I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna throw it way back and say over the past year, it's been a lot, like from losing family, visiting family, and just major life changes overall. It's been a lot. And so I'm ready to share with you guys what's been going on. Now, I don't have any tea or juice, but if you'd like, go ahead, grab yourself some tea, okay? Whatever. What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it's a stranger face around here for my longtime subbies, but if you're new, welcome. My name is Shama. I am a faith-based lifestyle content creator where I share content on lifestyle and more to help you walk in your fullest potential to create the life of your dreams while doing it in godly purpose and His will. So first off, let me just apologize to everyone for having taken an unannounced hiatus, sabbatical, whatever you want to call it, and not giving you guys a heads up. There's no excuse. All I can say is I have been posting short form content on my other platforms, but when it comes to long form content, YouTube can be a lot. But I just want to say I'm really grateful and appreciative of those of you who have still stuck by to my long time subbies and even new ones. Like, family is growing, so even you guys, I appreciate you guys for sticking around even though there has not been any new content to kind of pull you guys in. Now, as I mentioned earlier, and as you can tell by the title, this is a life update, and the past year has been a lot, from losing loved ones to visiting friends and just focusing on me and major life changes that's been going on. It's been a lot, and I've been trying to cope, and hence the absence from YouTube, because I just really wanted to focus on everything that was happening in life, to make sure I'm mentally prepared, that I'm not mentally overwhelmed, physically just trying to take care of me the best I can, and that meant having to take a break away from YouTube. And so I'm here and I'm ready to share with you guys what's really been going on. So one of the major things that has happened for me over the past year or so is, I don't know if you can hear the background noise. That's it. That has been one of the major things that has happened for me this past year. And I am a new mommy. First time mom of that. This is my baby boy. This little guy has been one of the major changes, well, the major change that has happened in my life in the past year. Say hi, Bubba. Can you say hello? Look in there. Can you say hi? Can you say hello? Yeah? Can you say hi? Say hello. But he has been the reason why I have been away from YouTube for so long. I'm sure it's a surprise to many of you, but embarking on this journey for the first time, I really just wanted to embrace it. I wanted to cherish every moment of it. I wanted to keep it sacred and as private as I could. And I didn't share it on YouTube, and I didn't share it on my other platforms either. Not until long after the fact that I have started posting content. Well after he was already born, I post anything regarding my pregnancy or making a pregnancy announcement, because being at the age that I am and it being the first, not that I had been trying, it came as a surprise, but I just really wanted to cherish the moment. I wanted it to be private, I wanted it to be sacred, and I wanted to cherish every moment of it. And I think doing that was the best thing I could have done, because man, it felt like it just flew by. So what's next for this video? As I said earlier, I am faith-based lifestyle content creator, so I am planning on taking the channel in a direction for more faith-centered content. Now that I'm a mom, you can expect some motherhood related videos and content on this channel. Locks, of course, because that's the first content that I started posting here. Lifestyle content, and faith-based content, of course. I really just want to make my channel faith-centered, holistic content where we, you know, I'm sharing everything lifestyle, but from a faith-centered approach. So prior to this video, you guys would have seen some, I guess, travel videos or whatever. It's not recent and you probably can't tell that, but listen, I'm posting the content because I have had content that I've sat on for far too long, and I refuse to let the content go to waste. Like, I'm like, nah, I put in time recording these videos and they've sat there for way too long, and I'm not just gonna let them sit there and not post them. So hence why you've seen those videos. Now that this video is out, I now will be sharing my pregnancy journey after the fact. I know it's not what you're typically used to. Usually people are used to the pregnancy journey as it's happening and before the fact. But again, like I said, I just wanted to really appreciate this journey, have it private, cherish every moment of it. But I did record along the way because I had every intention of posting videos. And so I have tons of content for the pregnancy journey, and I do intend on sharing that. So you will see finding out when I was pregnant, you know, the journey, like the updates, weekly updates, or as often as I could. I don't remember, I don't think I took weekly update videos, but I did take progress videos frequently enough. So whether those are separate or whether they're lumped into one video, I'm not sure yet, but there are progress videos as I went along the journey. You will see the birthing vlog. I will talk about my birth story. But overall, this has been a very exciting journey, I will say that. Y'all, this child is trying to outdo me on my own video already. But I just wanted to stop by and give you guys an update because it's long overdue. But from this video onward, you guys will, you know, see the pregnancy related videos. Like I said, even though those are after the fact, you guys will still see that. I imagine that you guys have questions, so go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. If there is a specific type of content that you're looking to see on this channel, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to make a video on it. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey. I know it probably took a lot of you by surprise, but I did it that way and I think it was the best way to do it. So that wraps up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to stick around to follow me on this new journey of motherhood. And again, if you have questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. I love you guys to life. I will see you guys next time, but until then, remain faithful and favored. Bye guys.